In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade in MetaTrader 5 market order. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter a buy or sell position at the current market price and confirm that everything is set up correctly. First, open the new order window. You can do this in a few quick ways, so use whichever feels fastest to you. Click the New Order button on the main toolbar. Right-click directly on your chart and choose Trading, then New Order, or double-click the instrument you want from the Market Watch panel. If you prefer shortcuts, pressing F9 does the same thing. Any of these open the order panel where you'll set up the trade. Next, make sure the correct symbol is selected. In the symbol drop-down, confirm the instrument you want to trade, like EURUSD or whichever market is on your chart. If the wrong one shows, simply pick the right symbol from the list so your order applies to the intended market. Now choose the order type. In the Type field, select Market Execution. That tells MetaTrader 5 you want to trade immediately at the current available price. Some brokers label this Instant Execution, but the idea is the same. You're entering right now. Keep in mind that with market orders, the final fill can differ slightly from what you see on the screen due to price movement, especially in fast markets. Set your trade size using the volume field. This is your lot size, such as 0.01, 0.10, or 1.0. Larger volumes increase both potential profit and potential loss, so pick a size that fits your account and risk tolerance. If you're unsure, consider practicing on a demo account to get comfortable with how lot sizes affect your PL. Before placing the trade, consider adding risk management. You can enter a stop-loss price to cap potential losses and a take-profit price to lock in gains automatically. These are optional, but strongly recommended. Make sure your levels respect your broker's minimum distance from the current price and double-check you're entering the values in the correct format for your instrument. When you're ready, execute the order. Click Sell by Market if you believe price will move down and want to sell at the current bid, or click Buy by Market if you expect price to rise and want to buy at the current ask. The trade should execute immediately at the best available price. Finally, verify everything in the Trade tab at the bottom of the platform. You'll see your open position, entry price, volume, stop loss, take profit, and your floating profit or loss updating in real time. That's it. You've placed a market order in MetaTrader 5.